We are live. What's up, everybody? Happy Friday. Crypto market analysis, Bitcoin, what's happening? I'm going to try something different today, and forgive me if it took me a long time to do this, and I don't know why it took me so long. I'm going to be honest. I've been doing this for 6 years now. I should be going over major headlines involving Bitcoin, crypto overall, and then I should jump into the stocks and all that stuff happening. Crude oil, Iran war, all that good stuff. We are live on X, we are live on IG, we're live on TikTok, we're live on YouTube. What's up, everybody? All right, let's go, chat. Alfredo in the building. Alfredo's always first. Alfredo's the man. Oh, I don't have my watch on. Damn, I feel weird. I feel very strange. I just put this backup watch I have over here. I feel very strange without a watch on, but I'll put on this backup one. Late, I don't get along. Always got to be on time. Appreciate it. What's up? What's up? What's up, Dennis? What's up, Francis? What's up? What's up? What's up, Slam? Welcome, Slam. What's up, everybody? Mr. Baloch is here from Pakistan. We got Pakistan in the building. So let's go into it. Before we start, who saw my video? Oh, by the way, I know. Let me just do this. The tickets we're going over today. By the way, I don't get some of you. I'm not in the blocking mood, right? Well, I'm always in the blocking mood, but I don't get some of you, right? And I get it. I get it. Some of you, no matter what, will never comment on a video. I posted a video last night. Hey, I'm going live on crypto. Give me your crypto coins. These are the only crypto coins I got. But my DMs, y'all don't listen. I posted it on my story. Don't ever DM me what tickers to look up. Don't do it. Don't do it. Literally. I said write it in the comment section. Some of you still didn't do it. You know why? Some of you will never show engagement on my content, but you'll go comment on the stupidest half-naked chick dancing to, wait, they don't love it. I don't know, man. I can't do it. I can't do it. But point I'm trying to make is, some of you, no matter what, won't do it. So don't ask me in the chat for your ticker. It's not happening. Some of you just won't comment. So the tickers we're going over today, and I'm going to spend a lot of time on Bitcoin. I'm going to spend, by the way, I need someone to remind me. I have a delivery. I have a delivery of seeded watermelon coming. I found a supplier who can get it to me in New York. Can someone, I won't be able to check the time. I need someone in the chat. Flood the chat when that happens, by the way. 9 p.m. 8:55. When it's 8:55 p.m., please tell me the chat. Professor, you have to send a message. I got a guy delivering me watermelons with seeds in it that you can't find in New York. He's bringing it from the south for me. So you don't even want to know. Yo, everyone, guess how much I'm paying for a watermelon? Seeded. It's not the season. It's impossible to get it. Guess how much it costs with delivery and everything put together. Take a wild guess. Some of you will never figure it out. Guess. But the tickets we're going over tonight is Bitcoin, XRP, HBAR, FET, APT, XLM, Link, and ETH. So boom. David, what's up? All books finally came in. Let's go. Let's go, Edwin. How did you like the books, the quality? What are you learning so far, Mr. Rodriguez? Tell me. I love drinking. Am I still live? YouTube? What the hell is going on? Whoa. Whoa. What is going on my screen right now? Am I live? I can't even check. The chat's frozen. Live is frozen. But can you see me? Can you hear me? Hello, Professor. You're freezing. You're okay. You're good. Stream lagging. It was a glitching for a little. You're back. Everything's back. On my side, it's completely gone. Need to refresh. Everyone refresh me. Yeah, holy moly. My live feed is cut off. Okay, I am live. Alright. Alright, do me a favor. Because on my side, it says I'm not live. I see nothing. Like, it's hard to explain. Usually, it shows you everything. All the analytics. But right now, it's showing me nothing but the chat. Alright, so keep me updated on that. But the watermelon, refresh your screen. I can't refresh my screen. It'll end the live. But you guys can refresh your screen. But yeah, 50 bucks, you got it. How'd you know? Sensei? 50 bucks a watermelon. I'm like, bro, I don't care. I love seeded watermelon, and it's impossible to get it in a liberal state. It's impossible. So please remind me at 8:55, I got to get my guy to get them and put them in the van and bring them to me. So boom. All right, so let's do it. Let's do it. So before we start, and I want to say something to all of you watching, right? And this is not me being sarcastic. It's so weird not knowing if I'm live. Oh my God, I'm going to have to push through. This is very strange. Instagram, YouTube, what are you going to do? It's never happened like this before. It happened years ago. All right. What was I saying? Yeah. If you ever have advice for me to change up my lives, you can say it, but as long as you say it in a nice way. You know what I mean? Like some of you will say it in a way that I don't like, and then you get blocked. You're blocked. I'm not talking like that. I'm saying if you ever want, tell me. I will do it. Like today, not today, but last week, who saw on Instagram, I made a couple videos. I showed the chart, stage one. I didn't show how many I bought. That's dangerous. I showed what days I was buying Bitcoin. Hands up if you saw me post that video on Instagram. I'm in Florida. I climb coconut trees and eat watermelon. That's pretty much. I love it, Sensei. I love. How much is a seeded watermelon? Big ass one in Florida. I wonder if it will save the video since it is valid. Valid, David. Valid. Shit. Well, I don't care. Watchers, I don't care. If it doesn't save, what are you going to do? I went live. I need that shirt, bro. Oh, bro, you get this at the mentorship. When you sign up at the mentorship, you get the shirt, the QR code. But this is an old one. This one is, I think, version 1. The new one says, just hit sell. Seen it, me. I saw that. Me. I seen it, long list of buys. Why do you think I bought? Everybody. By the way, is anyone here from Ireland? I don't know what's going on. My team told me my books are shipping like crazy to Ireland. Which I'm like, Ireland? I only have one Irish student, just one, Assad, from Ireland. I don't have any others. So I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on. I seen it, long list of buys, sometimes more. Went to Jamaica and almost 40. Whoa, why is there so much in Florida? In New York, a watermelon is 10 bucks, but a seedless. I don't touch anything not God made. I think you're hilarious. What I say, William? What I say? Stage one. Very good. Again, page 41. But is anyone here from Ireland? Why is my book selling like hotcakes in Ireland? Years ago, your books are no, my books have always been worldwide. A couple years ago, the number one place my book sold was Israel. Don't ask me why. Don't ask me why. I don't know. It was Israel. Then Australia, the sales took off. Now it's just Ireland. Dublin. I don't know what's going on in Ireland, but I don't know. I'm here, professor, from Ireland, not Irish, but I'm coming in May. But Greg, you don't live in Ireland. You travel though. You're not Irish, but you don't live in Ireland though. I'm talking people in Ireland are getting the books, Dublin. But, all right, I'm done with that. Back to this. Everyone, for those that don't know, page 41. Drastic drop, stage 1. We popped very nice. Who was buying, and don't lie to me, you just tell the truth. Were you buying, selling, or waiting for it to go to, what are they saying? 20,000? 16,000? That's what they're saying. God bless. Hey, if it goes there, I'll buy more. You don't want to see my buys on Coinbase if it goes to 16. Let's not even get into that. Let's not get to that. Flood the chat. Who was buying in this area? Look at this. My pen got Bitcoin all over it. I don't know what's going on. Look at this. The Bitcoin. They're everywhere, baby. They're everywhere. You know I'm excited to talk about Bitcoin? I'm gonna tell you why. Who can tell me why I'm excited? I want to have interactive live, baby. I want to have interactive live. Buy the dip strategically, letting it consolidate, very good. William, you didn't tell me why you said I was hilarious. Tell me, baby, tell me. Me after you told me, my man. Bye, bye, bye. So, Bitcoin. I'm on the daily time frame for those that ask. By the way, page 41. A lot of your problems will disappear if you just read this book. 16K, I sell everything and nail it 100%. I'm buying and I also drag my sister in. I buy little, but still have a bit to spend below. I got you. Peace, bro. What's up, Luke? Yo, Luke. I gotta message you. The company messaged me. That color is sold out, and that hoodie is all sold out. So they're gonna refund you on the hoodie, bro. Let me know if you got an email from them, because they emailed me. I went in heavy XLM too after you told me to buy, but converted to Bitcoin after the drop. Was it a good choice? We'll talk about it. I'm doing Hamza. I'm doing XLM. It's on the board, so we'll talk about it. So stage 4. Massive stage 1. Massive stage 1. Come on, YouTube, show that I'm live. And then we had this nice pop. We'll talk about that. What did I say? Oh, we're gonna talk tonight. We're gonna talk tonight. Someone go find my video on Instagram, the one I made with my levels. Did my levels play exactly what I said before the pop? What did I say? Bitcoin? Oh, sacre bleu. Daily time frame. Time frame. Stage 4, stage 1. And the price here is 68,098. We had a very nice push up, pull back, and look where it's holding. Go check my levels. I didn't just make these levels before I went live. I made that video prior to the pop. How? I would love to buy the book, but can I pay you with crypto? Yeah, JT, go to the website. It's pinned. It's pinned. Go to the website. There's an option to pay with USDC. Of course. Bitcoin is the future. Yep. I do not have a lot of cash. I thought that's fine. Altcoins are fine too. Only couple crypto I bought. I'm buying Bitcoin is Sol, Cas, Tau. Okay. I got an email saying long that the shipped one of the they shipped it? Okay. What up, Kamar? I got you with FET, Kamar. I got you with FET. Welcome, Salam strangers. Did you get your books, madam? Did I keep my word? Did you get your books? Levels don't work, Professor. They don't. But someone go check. Let me see. It's this video. I know it's hard to see, but it's this video. If you go on my Instagram, go watch that video. Those levels are the same. No, they're not. Sorry. No, my bad. They're not the same. Which ones are the same? Those are not the same. Good thing I looked. I don't like to lie. They're off by $1,000. So boom. I'm thinking Bitcoin is gonna drop because it completes stage 2. Let's see. I think I should be buying oil stock because the price is that. We're not talking about stocks. Block Dog, don't talk about stocks. Don't ask me about prop firms. It's a crypto live. Let's keep it on the crypto. So let's not talk about any of that. But I already said oil was gonna pop before it popped. But that's getting an old story of me saying things before it happens. So there we go, right there. Nice pop. Now what you ultimately want to see is a hold here. That's what you ultimately want to see. And then people are scared. Oh my God. There. So let's talk about why it popped, right? Let's talk about why it popped. I don't know, and I apologize, I don't know why I didn't do this better. I should be going over the technicals and, come on, fundamentals, major news articles. I only do this live once a month. Like, how do I not do this? So, from now on, we're going to cover major articles surrounding Bitcoin and altcoins and what's going on. I don't know what took me so long. So, let's go. Major article right now is Bitcoin hovers near 69.6K to 70K as range battle intensifies, which I already told you. Stage 1, it's in a range consolidation, bouncing in between. By the way, we're live on X, TikTok, Instagram. Please get on the YouTube. That's where you want to be. That's where you want to be. Yes, thank you. You're welcome, strangers. Now take it seriously and read it. Read it. Bitcoin Cash, GPs. Oh, GPs love Bitcoin Cash forever, Reese. I know. He's loved it since the beginning. I know. All right. There's multiple reasons why we had that pump to the high mid 70s, right? The Iran thing, by the way, Iran mines a lot of Bitcoin and their energy is cheap. So their ROI is phenomenal, but that's another conversation. SEC chair aligns with Trump on need for digital asset regulation clarity. Trump is still pro-crypto, still pro-Bitcoin. His children are his older sons are very much into all that. They own a crypto company. So, you know, TRUMP, why did I say his full name? I shouldn't have said his name. TRUMP is still very favor of Bitcoin and the whole crypto atmosphere. Also, I lost my train of thought. Fasting. I didn't cook, I ate liver. I didn't cook it properly, so it's not sitting well. My mind is like messed up, but damn, it was important too. Oh, who heard that you a few days ago you couldn't send instant transfer ACH? Who saw that their bank said, hold up, don't do it? Transfers in America didn't happen. Who heard about that? By the way, if you didn't hear about it, well, now you know. Now you know. I should just run a 5 days a week, 7 days a week. If I got love, other than being botted by pathetic lowlifes sitting in Southeast Asia, they have no life. They should be worried about their children and their little wife. Not me. They need to stop obsessing to destroy my algorithm. Bro, I don't care, man. But God bless them. God bless them. Book sales are still happening, papi. Mentorships are still selling, papi. Like, what are you trying to stop? He's going to bot tomorrow's video. My vlog drops tomorrow. He's going to bot it with fake views, fake comments. What are you going to do? Worry about your children, bro. Get over me already. It's been years. Get over me already, man. You're such a little bitch. Get over it. Levels don't work. That's what I'm saying. I think I said that. And the chat's frozen. Ladies and gentlemen, you got to stay active in the chat. You got to stay active in the chat because it says I'm not live. I didn't hear about that. Boom. The obsession is real, Professor. I know, bro. It's like a year now. I get it. I get it. I get it. It's like, come on already. Doesn't it help? So although he's trying to hurt my algorithm, so when you bot somebody with fake likes, fake views, fake everything, it tells YouTube he's botting himself, bring down his engagement. That's what it means. So it hurts me from there. But where it doesn't hurt me is it accelerates me on the For You page of YouTube, where I got a DM. I got to post this DM. A person DM me saying, yo, bro, I've been following you. You know, you subscribe, but you never pay attention to people because people subscribe. He goes, I saw you pop up and it said 6,000 people were watching. I'm like, whoa, I got to go watch that. He bought all the books after listening to me for 5 minutes. And I'm like, keep doing it. I get it, but it is what it is. We are. The chat here never freezes. We're simply... I know you're actively listening, Francis, but you got to keep talking because it says I'm not live. That's why. To buy Bitcoin, I knew about the ACH thing. It messed me up. Yeah, so that's the point, right? The ACH, instant transfer, the government said, hold on. What crypto coin should have came to your mind immediately when that happened? Flood the chat. Well, this guy's not a God-fearing person. He don't believe in God. He's a pretender. He's a pretender. I know who it is. It's sad. He literally has no life. Like, get over me already, man. Get over me. Get over me. But it's okay. Listen, he only has to do it for March, April, May, June. 3 more months, and then I'll be live on Instagram for 4 months. Let him enjoy, I guess. Poor guy sends fake comments, but they get deleted so fast. Come on, Bitcoin, no. XRP, ladies and gentlemen. XRP is the future of transferring money instantaneously without worried about Iranian hackers. Yeah, right. They're not doing it. Who's doing it? I'm not commenting because then I'm going to get in trouble. Let's try not to get banned on TikTok today. XRP. This problem would never exist. And after that happened, I'm like, XRP? What? We'll talk about XRP later, but that was major. Coinbase, Microsoft, Europol disrupt major phishing platform, 330 domains taken down, OpenAI. What are you doing? Scroll down. Okay. Crude oil prices skyrocket. We all know that. They need a place. Remember, in times of war and drama like this, they need places to put money safely. And Bitcoin is the best place to put your money. The best. People hit the like button. Appreciate it. Hit the like button. That's the only way the algorithm pushes me, the honest way. The only coin that came to mind was Caspa because it scales faster than XRP and is very promising. You're not wrong, Block Dog. You're not wrong, okay, about Caspa. But the CEO of XRP and that whole team behind XRP and TRUMP, they're in contact. What's up, Eric? So there is the factor. You're not wrong. XRP is not the only one. But you also have to look at who you know and who do they know. Polkadot ETF debuts on NASDAQ. Bitcoin ETF rally pauses. A $228 million outflow hits the market. This was 8 hours ago, 10 hours ago. Bitcoin firm strike lands New York DFS. BITL license expands Bitcoin apps to New York users. Hands-on review. Okay. So let's talk about the article. Let's talk about the major articles. Bitcoin slips to 68,000 as Middle East conflict and U.S. jobs data triggered the sell-off, like the entire market sold off, as you saw. Uncertainty in the market, the Fed stuff, a lot of uncertainty in the market. So we thought this war killing the Ayatollah, we thought that was it. It's like our military is run by children sometimes. Oh, we're gonna kill the Ayatollah. There is an entire line of bearded men ready to take over after one by one. That man was old as hell. Killing him, his in-laws, his family in his mansion. What was the point of that? Like, what kind of bar? Oh, never mind. I said I don't want to get in trouble tonight. I'm going to go on a rant. I don't want to go on a rant right now. I don't want to. Brad is the White House. I don't know what that means. Canton CC is #1 in RWA. Black Dog, talking English, bro. I don't know what the hell you're saying. CC is #1 in RW. But point being, I don't want to get into it. This war is not ending. And if you notice, they've cut, I can't say the name because I'm going to get in trouble. I can't even say the name. I'm going to get in trouble. Things are so bad here, so bad, that you don't even know what's going on. They cut off all the feed of videos. Even CNN said we can't film it. We're not allowed to film it. So, you know what that means? Who can flood the chat? Flood the chat. What do you think that means? If we can't show what's going on there, they cut the feed of what's happening. Who wants to be a critical thinker tonight? All to hide the Jeffy Jeff and Gilligan's Island stuff. 100%. Canton is blockchain. It's Wall Street coin. RW is a real world asset. Thank you. So you just talk like that. The only thing that makes me hesitant on XRP is the fact that the creators own like 50% of the supply, and you can, I know, but listen, don't sleep on XRP, baby. Don't do it. Salutes from Compton. Yo, Compton, you only come and say salutes from Compton. How about you get involved in the conversation for once? It means there's something being hidden for a reason. WW3, they're in trouble. Greg got it. That means it's something very bad, very good. Very good. That means our Patriot missiles, I hope I don't get in trouble for saying that, because I've never said that before. Our Patriot missiles are no match for the intel that the Chinese and the Russian are providing the Iranians to bomb and attack them. It must be so bad over there, so bad, that we can't even show it and they cut off the feed. That means God bless. Wild times right now. Wild times. You know, if you think about it, Ukraine, we are proxy warring Ukraine to get to Russia. It's called a proxy war. Just Google it. I don't want to get into it. Meaning, I'll get into it. It's not directly. They go to the side. Proxy war. So as of now, the Iranian war is not an Iranian war against them. China and Russia are proxying from behind to attack them. Because they're not attacking them, they're attacking us because we are the ones protecting them. XRP, if you pay attention to the commercial, it tells you right in the beginning it's centralized. Everything's centralized. No matter what anyone thinks decentralized, that doesn't exist. Everything runs through public government servers controlled by everything. We read this in the Jeffy Jeff and the Gilligan's Island files. Means there's a destruction there. They don't want, it must be very bad. I won't sleep on it. I'll try to, boom. Patriot Tat, Iron Dome. Yep, it didn't work out, I guess. Prophecy being, of course. They are trying to bring about the Antichrist through AI with Peter Thiel. We want Jesus to come back. They're just hyper-accelerating it, so it is what it is. Hey, Professor, your trading strategy, is it the same than GP in a way? Just got to know you, so would love to hear more. I'm a big fan following GP. I got you, Anthony. You know what's funny? Just because you said you're from GP, I'm going to let it go. But this live is about crypto, not about my strategy. But I love GP. He's a friend, so I'm not going to go off on you because the topic is not that. I trade candles, levels, multiple time frames. That's it. I look at the candles on multiple time frames and I make levels and I buy and sell long and short trading the futures market. That's all I do. And I wrote 3 books on the subject. That's it. Nobody else say anything like that. Stay on crypto. I seen a video from Iran today and people were living normal. Yep. Not seeing. Ali, don't say that on the live, please. Don't say that on the live. Thank you for spacing it out. Space it out more. Let's not. I don't want to get taken down tonight. I just want to be left alone. Hey, Professor, I love it how you flip this coin. Keep flipping it. It's so cheap right now, bro. What do you want me to tell you? I bought so much. I'm sorry. I bought a little bit. If anyone asks, I bought $1 worth of Bitcoin. $1. Eat for today. I don't know what that means. Speak in English. Complete sentences. Is there a couple of crypto coins that can freeze your assets? Majority of them can. Freeze your assets? That can't be. Everything can be frozen unless you hide it on a cold storage, bro. So technically, everything can be if the government, if it's on a hot wallet. We won't fall for the AI Project Bluebeam. Yeah, Project Bluebeam won't work. But unfortunately, the prophecy says a lot of women will fall for it. I don't know how. That one I haven't put together yet. Majority women will follow the Dajjal, the Antichrist. Kafir on his forehead. They burned Baal, their god. Professor, was 74K the last high before a big drop? I'll look at it. 100%. What else can we do? Boom. Sticking to crypto. Professor, I want that coin. Can I get one and Made mentorship? Sure. Bro, you can buy it on Amazon. Go to Amazon. You can't buy this. This was custom made for me. This one was custom made. If you want to buy this, you can just say, yo, did you make this for the Day Trade Professor? And the company's called Gorilla Pro Customs out of Vegas. Gorilla Pro Customs. This is custom. You can't buy this. I bought one for myself. second one for myself, and one for GP for his birthday. I sent one for Gerald Peters. But this, just go to Amazon. Type in physical Bitcoin. You can buy it on Amazon. I don't know how much it costs. But yeah. When the professor flipped a coin, that means... You guys, you know it's funny. What I love is that I've been on live for so many years. You guys know me so well. So well. Professor's Crypto, I want to know your top live. Not right now. Did you know you can earn Bitcoin every 2 weeks by staking? Yes. Women are very intuitive by nature. That means he'll be very deceiving, of course. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you for teaching us to make money to move near the equator when it goes down. You're welcome. So yeah. Let's see. Anything else? Let's see any major headlines. Okay, I read that already. Paraguay to leverage sees ASIC to mine Bitcoin. That's a major article. Paraguay mining Bitcoin. That's bullish for what company, ladies and gentlemen? I want everyone to flood the chat. The only name I should see is that company, the #1 mining company on earth. Flood the chat. I better see a flood. I better see a flood. Matic at 9 cents. Sheesh. Don't buy Matic. I did a eulogy already. Matic is dead. You're very, very late to this live, Prophet. Very late. I did a eulogy for Matic at 70 cents to get out of it. 60, 70 cents. You're very late to class. You should actually be blocked. I'm going to block you. You're a watcher. You've never commented. I'm going to block you for being a pure watcher. Where's the block button? Rivera, add him to the list. I hate watchers. I hate watchers. I told people at 60, 70 cents to get out of it. Very good. Mara. Excellent. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Mara is the #1 Bitcoin mining. They just sold some Bitcoin from their Bitcoin treasury to fund operations. So boom. Mara only mined 2 crypto, Bitcoin and Caspa. Yep. The eulogy was years ago. That's what I'm saying. It's dead. Don't bring up something that's dead. Plus, he's a watcher. He never comments. Like, I don't like watchers. Go somewhere else. So that's a major article. Bullish on Mara, per usual. Let's keep going. October 10th and the flight of the Chinese T-money. Oh, God. Don't care about that. XRP signals potential short squeeze. Didn't I say don't sleep on XRP? As Binance funding rates turn deeply negative. XRP may be nearing a potential rebound as Binance funding rate plunges into extreme negative territory. A market setup historically tied to short squeezes. Ready, watch this. Wink, wink, XRP. Wink, wink. New York Stock Exchange parent ICE invests in OKX at 25 billion valuation. What other headlines we got? What do you guys think? You like this? Going over headlines, giving my opinion on it, overview. What do you think? I've never done this. I don't know why I've never done this. I don't know. And we're done. All right, so let's go now. Let's do it. So I spoke about Bitcoin already. As you can see, boom. All right, let's do it. XRP. Professor, have you heard about the Bitcoin? Have you heard about the Bitcoin core war right now between core developers and NotsBip over spam getting pub? I didn't hear about that. I like this, Professor. Good idea, Professor. I'm liking this format for the class. Okay, I'm glad. Personally, like it. I think it's super fire. Thank you. Yes, nice. Miss Diaz is in the building tonight. What's up, Diaz? All right. So I'm gonna do it. I appreciate it, guys. I'm gonna do it then. Done. All right, let's do it. XRP. Do you notice something so far? Is it too small? Oh, it's too small. I'll make it bigger. But if I make it bigger, it won't fit. All right, let's get rid of that. Okay, I guess not. Nope. Damn. All right, whatever. What are you gonna do? No, this button. What am I doing? What am I tweaking today? There you go. Okay, that's big. Hold on. Let me see if I can do something with the screen. That's better. For those watching on X, TikTok, IG, just go to Instagram for God's sakes. Just go to Instagram for God's sakes. I mean, go to YouTube. You can see it much better on YouTube. The price now is $1.36. You notice a similarity with Bitcoin and everything. Again, I don't want to have to keep saying it, dragging a dead horse. Page 41, stage 1. Very good. Very good, chat. He is the best at what he does. Thank you. I just try my best. I just come here and try my best. So we're on a stage 1, just like Bitcoin, holding very, very nicely. I'm going to say this as simply as I can. Everyone thinks they know the bottom, they know the top, they want to catch it. It's physically impossible. All you can do is, if you have $10,000, divide that by 4, right? Equals to 10. We're doing math today, baby. I can't do math, so gotta check on the watermelon. Hold on, ladies and gentlemen, hold on. Gotta check up on the watermelon delivery. It's not happening on the live. I just have, it's coming from far away, so it's gonna take a time to get. I just have to make sure everyone knows that they didn't forget to get me my watermelon. All right, I gotta keep this open. By the way, love this phone. Love this phone. All right. Gotta keep it open so I can see. I love watermelon, especially after a fast break. Oof. Men, I'm not gonna say too much, men. I'm not gonna say too much. Watermelon juice seeded. Blended in a blender, not a juicer, a blender. Every day. A jar, half a watermelon. Men, trust me. Everything follows Bitcoin, correct. I'm still holding XRP at 63 cents. My man, sold half at 3. Let's go, Compton in the building. Praise God, mashallah, Compton. Good man. Good man. I love. Let me ask you a question, Compton. Finally, he said something valuable instead of saying Compton in the house. What made you sell it when people's greed would have never allowed them to sell it? What made you sell it? Almost all top coins are on stage 1. I've been buying a little bit of XRP. Good man, Alfredo. 16 minutes until you need to. Thank you, Francis. You're the man. You're the man, Francis. You're the man. I love you, Francis. I'm in. 15 more minutes. Thank you, Dennis. I'll spam it. Thank you, Jose. You guys are the best. You guys are the best. So, what you want to do, and by the way, I don't just tell, let me move everything out of my way. I don't just tell you this. I want to talk heart to heart. So let me get close to the camera. Once a month, I meet up with my friends. These are friends I've known for plus a decade. 20 years? I think one of them might be 20. One of them is 20 years in the friend circle, right? I meet them once a month. I got them all together. I'm like once a month. And I'm not doing more than that. My eyes on the delivery. My eyes on the delivery. The same advice that I give you, I give my friends. I just want you to know. Many of you, I don't know. Most of you, I know from my classes. As you can see the picture. Look at the picture of Dennis. Look at the picture of Alfredo. That's me and him in my class. Look at the picture of Stargazer. His name is Jose. That's me in my class. Thank you for having the picture there, guys. Francis is not a student yet, but he has DTP book, Day Trade Professor. So when I guide you, not only am I guiding you as your professor, your mentor, I don't want to say this because I say opposite stuff sometimes, but the same advice I give my friends, I'm giving you to protect you, to help you make money. I gain nothing. Sorry, I lose nothing from giving you good financial information about what I do. When I tell my friends, I share the same advice. I don't hold back anything. Well, I hold back stuff here, but in the classes, I give everything away. The secret Instagram, I give it all away over there. But of course, I hide stuff here. I watch your class and just hit sell. Felt good. My man, Compton. Good job. That's what I'm talking about. See what I just said? That's what I'm talking about. What Compton just said. 6 more payouts and I'll book Zanzibar. My man, Francis. Listen, before anyone books anything, DM me for this month of Ramadan. Let me see how I can help you. 6 more payouts. My man, Zanzibar is in 3 months. And then there's one in 4 months. And then there's one in 5 months. March, April, May, June, July. And then there's one in 6 months. So you got at least 6 months, Francis. Francis, message me. Message me on Instagram. Let me see what I can help you with to help you with getting that trip taken care of. Message me. But you got 6 months. Point being, back to this analogy. If you have, and I want you to answer it in the chat. If you have 10,000 USD, because I know these lives are international. In this moment, would you put in all 10,000? Yes or no? And what would you do? Don't just say yes. Don't just say no. What would you do? Flood the chat. I need 6-7 weeks. Let's go, Francis. Can't wait to join your class. Well, you live in New York, strangers. What's your name again? Atanya? Atoya? Latoya? Come on, brain. It's something like that. What's your name, strangers? I don't want to call you strangers. I have your name right here. You just bought all the books. So I know my team told you because we took care of you. How do I do this? Like, I swear to God, bro. When it comes to the charts, I'm a master. But when it comes to freaking business, I don't like... Miss Pierce. There you go, Miss Pierce. So, I got you, Miss Pierce. Let's go, Francis. But I'm trying to come in August, September at best. Yeah, August is good. Come to August. You're going to love safaris, Francis. We're going to live trade. We're going to do Asia session. We're going to have a blast in Zanzibar. Gracias, amigo. You have been a boost in my confidence. I'm glad, Francis. Do me a favor. You better have sent some money to your mother, Francis. I'm going in May, but I'm thinking about international classes. Yeah. Greg, you're already coming in May, so you get 50% off of international, so 100%. No, I would space it out. I would put in 1/4. Buy 2,500. Miss Pierce, I got you. It's hard to say that name. Shartiqua. You're Shart. I'm just gonna call you Miss Pierce. 2.5, 70%. I would put boom, XRP, not all at once. 1/4. Very good. Very good, very good, very good. What you do is, let me show you. What I'm gonna show you is to understand the present and future, you must understand the past. I'm going to try to fit everything so you could see it clearly on the board. I'm going to try. You know one thing I love? I might not give my entire strategy on my lives. It's just being honest. But I give you a lot of sauce to help you get to the classroom. Like people that book mentorships over the years, bought books over the years. I love the messages. I bought these, professor, these classes, these books from Just Your Live, free course and the live. I dare someone to say, where's the free course? I'm going to block you instantly because you can't read. It says it right there on this planet that's rotating. It says it right there. So I dare someone to say how to find the free course. I hate that DM. But nothing like Compton has made my weekend. I would say I would go get cookies, but no, it's Ramadan. No sugar for me. I'm not touching cookies. I haven't touched cookies this whole Ramadan. So no, but shout out to you. So this is what you're supposed to do. Again, it doesn't matter, but the example we're using is XRP. I'm on the daily time frame. Roughly $3 range. Roughly $1.36 range. If you had only you put in, hey Professor, I just wanted to say thank you for your knowledge. Definitely changed the way I trade. I am almost to my first payout. Your book definitely helped me out. Appreciate it, bro. How do you say your name? John. Thank you, John. You got it. You said it correctly. Go, Professor. I appreciate it, Ms. Pierce. So basically, my decision of converting all my other Bitcoin was it. Hamza, we're not talking about that right now. Wait till the end. Not right now. How do I buy the book, brother? It's Ramadan. I have to be nice. Iman says it right there, bro. Free course, book, and mentorship at daytradeprofessor.com. It says it right here. Get access to my free course, book, and mentorship, all available at daytradeprofessor.com. Rivera says block him. It's okay, it's Ramadan. I gotta be nice. I got the Quran bling in the background. I gotta be nice. Oh, that's my alert. Guys, do me a favor. Give me 1 minute. I gotta deal with this watermelon situation. I need you to answer this question for me. Give me 2 minutes. Question is, that was my alert for the watermelons. Smartboard, move. Question. Rivera, you're the Francis, you're the teacher's assistant right now in the chat. Everyone, answer this question. What is the best way to swing trade? Best way, by what we talked about. I want deep answers in the chat. Deep answers in the chat. Francis is in charge right now. I need 3 minutes. I got a big watermelon delivery coming in from the south. Seeded that you can't find anywhere in New York. So I need 3 minutes. Answer this question. All right. Now I just have to wait that everything's good. All right, let's go. Take 5 minutes. Thank you. New traffic is lighting up for 6 minutes early. Quick question. Are you looking at experienced traders, teaching assistant career-wise? Not right now. Buying at support level, selling at resistance? Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, we need some deep answers to the question. Thank you, Francis. Dollar cost in. Okay, Greg. Dollar cost averaging in. Thanks, Ray. Give me a minute. Dollar cost averaging. Swing trade, focus on good stocks that are at or near 52-week lows. Bloodshed, very good, David. That's key. That's key. Did you change your name, David, to Davy Trades? Unless I'm tweaking, I can swear it was David Trade. Dollar cost average, $10 per week. The best way to swing trade is to buy strategically when the price holds at. Yeah, very good. Do you have to traumatize us here too, brother? Do you have to traumatize us here too? What did I say to traumatize you? I would write more, but it caps mine. No worries. Davy Trade, you almost gave away page 41. Did you copy and paste it? But I also read that DACA is the best way. Buy strategy at key level support. Wait for the very good. Exit at the key levels. Resistant after stage 3 has formed. Buying at consolidation and waiting for that one. Very good. So now the example I can show you. 10,000 is what you have. By the way, quick question. How much do you guys have in your swing trade account? I just want to gauge the chat. How much do you have in your swing trade account that you allocate? Like, how do you do it? Flood the chat. I want to know. Follow page 41, correct. 108, which 108? What's 108? I wrote the book and I don't even know. I only know 41 and 100 are the key ones. Oh, very good. Very good, very good. 100%. Page 108. Let me show you what 108 is. Swing Trading 101. Boom. Playing the Quran, enforcing trauma again. I left Egypt to come to freedom as a Christian. Muslims split. I don't know, man. Should I block this guy? He says he's having trauma because I'm playing the Quran in the background. Enforcing trauma again. Should I block this guy, Dave? 7624? I left Egypt to come to freedom. Alright, listen. Dave, watch what the chat says. Watch what the chat says. What should we do what should we do with Dave, everybody? He's having trauma because the Quran is playing in the background. Block him, block him, block him. I'm a Christian. Dave said, I'm a Christian, professor. Is not someone you need to worry about. Yes, no blokes. That's the trauma. Block, block. Yes, block, block, block. Leave him, Professor Ramadan, practicing to control. I'm not angry, Haroon. Who's angry? Do you have any verified broker statement? Yes, dude. In Egypt, a classroom, they made us memorize it. Yes, my brother. Leaderboards, payouts, verified statements, broker statements can all be fake. Leaderboards can't be fake. Payouts can't be fake. All that stuff can't be fake, Dave. So there you go. I know you came to make me look bad, but my brother, you can't. I'm verified across the board, my Egyptian friend. I love Egypt, by the way. I had a blast there. God loves you. Block me. No, I will. Hold on. You're 100% getting blocked. If you can't handle that. Ladies and gentlemen, let Davey from Egypt know your boy has proven again and again through leaderboards, through everything, how much money I've made. Let the little man talk. I love when someone says that. Yeah, I'm not like the rest, baby. I've shown it all. I've shown it all. Come on, boys. They're probably loading the van and everything. That's why no one's responding. Respond. Respond. I need to know. I need my watermelons. We need all the hate too. Wait until the end when you read it from it. Oh, yes. I literally asked you for a career opening. I said, yeah, not right now. What did I say? Not right now. I love the little man. I'm 25 years old. I have payouts monthly for. That's very good. That's very good. Professor certified. Like, I don't see. He came to attack. It didn't work. All right, so I'm going to block you now, Dave, right? And here's the thing. You need to understand why I'm going to block you. I can come here and coddle you. Professor, I can't find your Instagram. Whenever I open the link, it says you're not found. You block me. I don't know you, but you probably blocked. Dave, I'm blocking you. Okay? Because I can't have someone like you who gets triggered by Quran playing in the background. Trauma. Okay? Buy my books or come to my class. That's all it is. That's all it is. That's why I'm doing it. Financially, blocking you is a stupid thing to do because I need you to buy stuff, right? But I don't want you around. And the chat has voted you off the island. So enjoy it wherever you live. Your trauma, you won't have to deal with trauma anymore because Davey, my boy, I'm about to read the Quran later. So your trauma is, I don't want you to have too much trauma. Okay? Let me hold this. Let me hold this. Oh my God, this is so bad. So Dave, I need you to go away. For the sake, I don't want you to have trauma. I care about you. I care about you, Dave. So Dave, you are? Trauma gone, baby. Guys, his trauma's gone. Tell me I'm not the nicest person you've ever met. I'm protecting him from his trauma. Come on, boys. Come on, boys. What are we doing? Guys, give me a minute. Hold on. They're not responding. I'm sure they're packing all the watermelons, but at least acknowledge so I know. Because if I don't get watermelons tomorrow, I'm going to be very upset. Come on, bro. It takes 2 seconds to just say delivery. You guys have initiated. He gonna be an agent if he goes. That's what I'm saying. 13 years in the business. 13 years in the. We don't want him around. Too much drama already from Dave. He's gone. He's gone. Snowflakes. No. That's 14. Thank you, Rivera. Dopamine button. Yes. Professor hitting up the watermelon deal. I am. Yo, you don't know how much I love seeded watermelon. You don't know. The nicest. You are the most amazing person. Hey, friend is in Alaska. What's up, friend? Happy Ramadan, friend. Is anyone gonna? He's the best, bro. You don't mess with the brother. I think those people do that only for attention. No, I don't think so, Marshall. See, bro. Let me tell you a story. There was a guy, when I was reading the Quran, he goes, oh, don't learn from this terrorist, and he left. Trust me, this triggers people. Like, this triggers weak-minded people. So, Jesus. Guys, give me 1 minute. I should have did this after my live. I should have done this after my live. And of course, nobody's picking up. But give me a minute, everybody. Seeded watermelon or coconuts? That's hard. That's hard to answer. This is so annoying. Hey, how you doing? Good, man. You told me to call you about the delivery? Let me see. Let me see. Hold on. It's where I sent you on the map. Oh no. Oh, so he left. He didn't get the delivery? Hello? Alright, I'm never doing this on a live again. This is so goddamn annoying. So annoying. Francis, ask him questions in the chat. Hello? Yes. How you doing, brother? Kabir, how are you? Oh, Kabir, did you get the... You were supposed to pick up the watermelons. Did you pick them up? You have all 5?
Yeah, 5.
Because I just called the dealer for the watermelon. He said he didn't give it to you.
Yeah, I give it to 5 because I come in now.
So wait, did you go to him or are you coming to me?
Yeah, coming to you.
No. So you have the watermelons.
Yeah, I have watermelon 5 there.
But I just spoke to him. He said he didn't give it to you.
Yeah, I give it to because I come here. You're located.
No, you were supposed to... Okay, hold on. Let me call you back. Because hold on. I'll call you back.
Okay.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, bro. I just spoke to the driver. He says he has the 5 watermelons.
Yeah.
So he got them? He's on the phone right now. I put you guys together.
Yeah, you already give it. I gave it a call. He said he got it.
So
As soon as you call me, bro.
no, because the message I got that they didn't get the watermelon.
No, he said he got it. No, I put them in the Uber myself.
Okay, perfect. Because he just texted me saying that he can't find the car. So okay, we're good. Thank you guys.
Okay.
I appreciate it. Okay, I'm here. Thank you, boys. No worries, bro. No worries. Bye. Jesus. All right, we're good. Sorry, everybody. I'm sorry. I the scheduling wasn't working, and if I don't get watermelon, I'm pissed. I'm sorry. I'll make it up to you, okay? I'm gonna be live at the end of the month, live trading, Asia session and power hour. So to make it up for this behavior of mine, because it's unprofessional, I'm gonna be honest. I'm sorry. When I do it, we're gonna do it legit. Not because I'm live, like legit. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna tell you to get ready, all that stuff. Okay, so I'm sorry. I know I'm good, but still. All right, are we good? I'm sorry, I missed the chat, man. My bad. You don't know my addiction. If you watch my Instagram videos, when I travel, my love for watermelons, you don't know. All right, let me see. Let me go back in the chat. Professor, what do you think of the profile picture? I love it, Hamza. Good man. I love that picture. Very nice. I'll pull up to the watermelon dealer, say the word. No, my guy picked it up. My guy Kabir picked it up. What's your favorite page in the book? 100. That's tough, Francis. You guys are having a conversation in the chat. Block him. I blocked him. I've never been so invested in a watermelon. Bro, some people are addicted to cocaine, heroin, LSD, cigarettes, weed, watermelons. Seeded watermelons. Watermelon talk sounded like drug. Sounded like drug deals. I don't do drug deals. I swear to God, it's watermelon. I swear to God, it does sound like a drug deal. You're not wrong. If I told you where the drop-off happened, I'm not even gonna say the location, because this location in New York is known for drug dealing. That's the funny. I'm saying too much, I'm gonna get in trouble. The conversation is better than Jerry Springer. I know they all good. Let's go intraday. What page? I love it, Francis. I can't wait to meet you, bro. Thank you. Thank you, Professor. We all take that deal every day. You got it. It's your life. I know, Hassan, but still. Professor, you're going to tell the benefits of blended watermelon? What every benefit, Akil? It's, bro, Akil, you're Muslim. Watermelon is a blessed fruit. It's also available in heaven. The prophet said, oh, I'm sorry. I don't want to offend. What was his name? Yo, what was the name of the guy I blocked? Dave? Was it Dave? What was his name? Yep, Dave 7624. Thank God Dave's gone, because I would trigger his trauma. I don't want to trigger people's trauma. Oh my God. Let me play. He might be still listening, so let's play the Quran in the background to keep him off the live. Maybe if he hears the Quran enough, he'll disappear and leave me alone. Oh my God, Dave. You might have to go back to Egypt. You might have to go back to Egypt, Dave. You might have to go back to Egypt, Dave. I don't want to cause trauma, but Akil, the prophet said pomegranate, watermelon, figs are the most blessed fruits on the planet. So what do you think I break my fast with? Watermelon, figs, pomegranate. Those three are the most powerful fruits created by God Almighty. Seeded watermelon, just so we're clear. That was so funny. Dropping off by the alley and not saying one word. Yes, Dave. Snowflake Dave. Watermelon helps men have great blood flow. Correct. Professor, what do you buy more of? Bitcoin, watermelons, or coconuts? Well, I just found a dealer who brings it from the south for me. But lately, Bitcoin has been a monster. Sorry, I've been only buying like... That's lying. Let's just say I bought a little bit of Bitcoin. A little bit. A little above $1. A little more than $1. That's not lying, see? There you go. Here in Pakistan, we have seeded. We eat you... Facts, dates, and dates. Dates too, yeah. Olives, yes. Yes, yes. Sir, I've never DM'd you Instagram. Please unblock me. I want to... Okay. Baloch, I'm about to block you. I don't like beggars. So again, you guys are making my day. Baloch, you're annoying me by begging me to unblock you. Who are you to tell me to unblock you? You, listen, Baloch, I have nothing against you. You're annoying, so I need you to leave me alone. So I'm going to block you now. Please unblock me, sir. Get a life. Get a life. All right. Rivera, add Baloch to the list. Seeds are where it's at, 100%. It boosts cardiovascular health, aiding blood flow for better... Friend, don't be commenting that in the chat. Don't be commenting that. Baloch has been nagging for the last 3 lives. I know. He's been begging me for 3 lives now. You're right. I blocked him. But, all right, XRP. I answered it. So now you get what to do. Remember that. Next one, H-bar. Let's talk about it. Let's go to a higher time frame. So now we did Bitcoin. Let's do some altcoins, right? So if you notice, I don't know why people don't learn. I am active and excited to... Like, why would you give me ammo to do it? All right, the ticker is HBAR, H-bar. I like H-bar. I like its nice move, sideways, fall, sideways, pump, fall, sideways right now. I like it. The levels are a nice cheap altcoin. By the way, you know this. You know this. You want to buy at blood, destroyed, devastated, bloody hell mess is where you want to buy. If this was here, I would not tell you to buy. I would tell you to buy at record lows. So H-bar is looking very nice. Who has H-bar? Flood the chat. Professor, his name sounds familiar. We're at 15 people, my enemies. I love it. Beggars and watchers are. I hate beggars. Don't beg me, bro. Beg me to unblock. I blocked 8,000 humans. Like I'm gonna go look for Baloch. Like literally, bro. Like literally. Never mind. After 3 triangles down on the daily chart, what comes after 3 triangles down? Karaoke. What the hell are you talking about? Triangles. Nice stage 1. Yup. Thank you, Professor. You're welcome. I do. Okay. Yo, Dempsey. Didn't you just sign up for the mentorship? Did you just sign up? Is it you? Because Dempsey is a unique name. I do still 6 likes for real people. Wait, I only have 6 likes? No. You're lying. I can't tell. It says I'm not live. I have no idea. It says I'm not live, so I don't know how many likes I have. I did. I'm sorry. Bro, message me on Instagram. You gotta message me so I can put you in the secret Instagram. And then put you in the Telegram. So you can take part in the private mentorship videos. The live trading videos that are secret on the secret Instagram. Message me your order number right now, Dempsey. Come on. I see 60. Oh, I'm botted. Yeah, okay. So he's botting me with fake views, fake likes. Boom. What are you going to do? But H-bar, I like it. I like it. Next one. Mr. Kamar Smith. I got you. So Fed, unfortunately, nice moves, but looks like it's at number 1. It's at record lows. This coin was a great altcoin play connected to AI. This was the AI coin play. So now it has played its part. If you want to buy some, average down, get out in the next major pump, or convert it to another coin. But this one is down bad. This one is down bad. And I'm on the weekly. It's at record lows. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. I'm liking XRP more than this. I'm liking XRP. Weird, all those likes don't show up on my screen, sorry. FET is on my buy list. David, I get it. But I think XRP is a better play. Unless you want to buy a little bit of FET. So boom. Next one, APT. The person requesting APT, God bless him. Let's talk about something. I want to talk about this. I'm going to upset some people, but what do you want me to do? I can only speak the truth. Didn't happen. There's things you have to understand when it comes to trading. Not just the stages, but also certain patterns to pick up on certain stocks and crypto coins, right? Where stage 1, pop, stage 1, pop, stage 1, pop, massive stage 1, bloodshed. Not just this coin. Not just this coin. But when you see a pattern like this, I will be wary of it. I will be careful to stay away from it. That's just my 2 cents. Could it pop? Of course. It could do whatever it wants. But overall, no. I don't like it. I don't like it. It could. I'm not saying it can't, but I just don't like it. All right, XLM, one of my favorite altcoins. One of my favorite altcoins. I like trading I don't do it anymore, but I used to trade this on the futures market on Coinbase. XLM futures. As you can see, the zone looks like it's headed right there. Major pop, pop, same. Sideways, now it's fallen. What you ultimately want is, I'm not saying this is dead, but I want to show you some examples. So pay attention. So this is XLM, right? Let me show you what I'm trying to tell you here. Let me go back to XRP for a second. Pump, sideways. Didn't pump. Now it's sideways down here. Now here's the thing with XRP, right? XRP is one coin that I believe will transform the future of money transfer. Yes, I know Caspa as well. I know there's other coins out there. But you got that TRUMP and the CEO connection. Yes, I know a lot of the top people at XRP are holding the coins. I get all of that. But at these low prices, I like XRP. Could it fall back down here? Yes. If Bitcoin breaks 60,000 and collapses below that, the altcoin market is going to see bloodshed. So of course. But no one can time the bottom. Next one, Link, Chainlink. I'm going to show you the same example. And you tell me. You see how, oh, let me write it. Link. By the way, it's $3. What a drop on Chainlink. You see that? Here, it's still in this area. It hasn't fallen way out of line. So out of the examples I showed you, which one looks better? The FAT, the APD, or Chainlink? And XLM. What looks better? Just from the chart. What looks better? Tell me. I remember you telling me to buy it and convert it. I like XLM. I still like XLM, so it's fine. APT doesn't have a limited supply. APT trash. Not a fan of APT. Someone asked me to do it on the Instagram, so I did it. Hey brother, long time no see. See you looking good, brother. Happy to see you. What's up, Jose? I hope you're good. I hope the missus is good. I hope the baby's good. Not in just yet, waiting. Kamar, I know you're in XRP. XRP is a much better outlook than FET. FET looks good too. Don't get me wrong, but that's the wrong chain. Goddamn! I keep doing that. I don't know why. You're right. Fasting, bro, it does something to your memory. Well, the chart looks the same. The chart looks the same, baby. No, it doesn't. My bad. No, it doesn't. It looks the same as everybody else. It fell. My bad, everybody. My bad. Thank you for correcting me. $8.78. So, if you notice, a lot of the coins have done the same thing. And you know what? I'm in the mood. I'm in the mood to give you some sauce. Why not? I don't care. I blocked 3 people. It felt good. It's Ramadan. Why not? I'm going to pause the Quran for a second, because I'm about to get a little serious. What I'm about to show you, take it seriously. Take out a notepad. I don't know if this live is going to get saved. because it says I'm not live. So when I end it, I'm just letting you know. By the way, if any of you DM me saying if this doesn't get saved and you ask me for the link of this, I will block you so fast that you wish your name was Yashoj Baloch. The guy just blocked. So I'm just warning you now because I don't know if this live will get saved. No idea. The guy stopped botting me. The bots are gone. Okay, he gave up, I guess. He went to sleep. He lives in Southeast Asia. Poor guy. He has a family and he's still harassing me. But what I'm about to tell you will truly help you. Truly help you. And it's the blessed month. So what I'm about to tell you, pay attention. This relates to stocks, futures, swing trading, investing, everything. Usually, typically we get this and then a move up. Typically. But as the algorithms are shifting, sometimes what happens is people place their stop losses under that stage one, that consolidation in these areas. What happens is it takes everybody out where they didn't expect it would go, trigger, take them out, liquidated, margin called, whatever you want to call it, and then it continues. So when it comes to certain things, when you're putting in your amount of money to swing trade, whatever, never go all in. Never go full position. Learn to do quarter of everything you do. That way, when this happens and it's stage ones again, go ahead. Add some to it when you have to. This will give you a better DCA, dollar cost average, a better price, right? Keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. I want you to remember that. This relates to a lot of things. You ever notice when you're trading futures? When you're trading futures, it's this. You're like, okay, I'm going to go long early without a break or anything. It's fine. It happens. I do it too. It breaks, and then this happens, and then it just rocket ships. Flood the chat. Tell me that you don't see that happening on a regular basis. Tell me. Liquidity grabs. Correct, Greg. You are spot on again. You're welcome. Professor giving order flow alpha. You know the vibes. Thank you for that. Of course. Thank you. Of course. Of course. Of course. Of course. I love every single one of you. You guys literally don't know I love my Friday nights with you. I'd rather be doing this than anything else on a Friday night. Maybe that's why I'm not married. I'll tell you a story. One time I was in a relationship with this woman. I liked her. Everything was great. She goes, Friday nights, I want to go out with you and spend time with you. I'm like, I got my life. She goes, no. I said, guess what? It ain't going to work, sweetie. It ain't going to work. And she was hot. Victoria's Secret model. Oh my God. Like, okay, I'm gonna calm down. I met her on a yacht. Oh my God. What the heck? And I said, no, sweetie. And then I think a few months after, she got married. I think she has a kid. But you understand what I'm saying? I love coming here. So if I can drop a hint here and there to help you do a little better with your bills, why not? Why not? So just so you know. All right, so there's link. There's link. All right, let's keep going. Let's bring the Quran back. Poor Dave. I gave him so much trauma. Bro, I don't know, guys. I don't think I should read this. I don't know if I should read this because I don't want to cause trauma. She got blocked in real life. Her sister follows me on Instagram. She watches my stuff all the time. She still follows me on Instagram. She still does. So we're cool. Oh, she missed the boat. Market does it a lot when I wait. Yeah, blocked in real life. Yo, you guys are mad funny. You guys are mad funny. All right, next one. Alfredo, you wanted Ethereum. I got you, Alfredo. I got you. What a disappointment. I gotta say, what a disappointment Ethereum's been. It's on my logo. It's on the logo. What a this was supposed to fund so much of the construction of the campus. Break the floors, go to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,000. You know, but unfortunately, what do you want me to say? We had beliefs, we had conviction, we had hope, and it just turned out to be a disappointment. This was supposed to fund so much of the campus. And things have fallen back because crypto just didn't do. I put a lot of money in ETH. Well, we're not a little bit. I'm not getting into that. But look at this. If you zoom out big enough, just massive consolidation. If you look at it big enough, here. Looks like a damn EKG machine. Literally. But it does look like it's about to take off, by the way. It does look like it's about to take off, and it always... Wait, let me zoom out. Ethereum... Sacre bleu. Smart board. Ethereum loves to play around these numbers. And guess where we are again, ladies and gentlemen? Back at that area. So, boom. Guys, is the best mentor and guy to follow. He always speaks the truth. Trust the process. And remember, thank you, Jose. I met Jose at a stock trading conference in Florida from Sean Deckmar. Him and his wife were in the audience, and he signed up for the mentorship for my class. Thank you, Jose. I appreciate you, bro. Set your standard, Professor. Don't settle. I never do. That's why I'm not married. ETH is because it's not proof of work, it's proof of stake. My heart rate, the first trade, 100%. 100%. And those are the tickers that you guys asked me to do on the Instagram post and the Instagram comment section. So ask me some questions. I'm going to read 2 quotes. Let me pause. I'm going to read. Dave, if you're watching, Davey, I know you're blocked, but maybe you're listening. I don't know. I think you should shut this off because I'm sorry, brother. I know you moved from Egypt to escape the Muslims and the Quran. I get it. And then God brought you right back here again. Maybe he's trying to send you a signal, but you won't see it that way. You won't see it that way. You escaped Egypt for freedom. Can we look at Caspa? Mr. Block Dog, you should have commented on the Instagram post asking. It should have been asked there, not here. Not here. It should have been asked on the Instagram post. I know you don't like commenting. I know some of you don't like commenting on any of my content when I post it on Instagram. So that's the consequences of your actions. You have to engage, but some of you will never engage. You only like engaging here. I don't get it. But 2 ones, let's go. Random, boom. Let's find something good. So Davey, who's trauma from the Quran, I don't want to cause too much. So let me find something that might not go. You know what? I'm not going to read it. I don't want it to cause trauma. Humans. What a worthless breed. All right, let's do it. All right, chapter 13, Thunder, Arad, verse 36, 37, 38. We'll do 3. The believers among those who were given the scripture rejoice at what has been revealed to you, O prophet, while some disbelieving factions what's wrong with me? Deny a portion of it, say I have only been commanded to worship God. I just come here and tell you, be consistent, hit sell, do what you got to do. That's it. I think IG has you censored because I do follow you, but my brother, let me tell you why my content never shows up on your For You page. You never engage with it ever. That's why it never comes up. Do you not know how the algorithm works? You have to like and comment. You have to like and comment on videos. Of course, no, you're not. I'm not censored. No, none of you comment on it. My videos get 2, 3 comments, maybe sometimes 1. That's why. You should write a book on how to get paid. Can we look at Sweet? No. Again, Nigel, I don't want to block you. If you're not going to comment on the Instagram post, I'm not looking at it here. What don't you understand? The only things I look at is what I posted on Instagram. That's it. That's it. Associating none with him in worship. To him I invite to all, and to him is my return. And so we have revealed it as an authority in Arabic. And if you were to follow their desires after all the knowledge that has come to you, there will be none to protect or shield you from God. I could give you all the knowledge, but if you don't take it to action and execute on it, what's the point? It means nothing. I'm just creating parallels from here into trading. Some of you listen to me but don't execute a word of what I say. Then what's the point? What's the point? We have certainly sent messengers before you, O prophet, and blessed them with wives and offsprings. It is not for any messenger to bring a sign without God's permission. Every destined matter has a set time. God eliminates and confirms what he wills, and with him is the master record. At the end of the day, I could say stop trading NQ and GC and only trade MNQ 1 to 3, 1 to 5 contracts max. Some of you won't listen. You will still do NQ and GC instead of MNQ and MGC. You won't listen. You won't listen. And I keep warning you. I told the story on my Instagram. 2 students, 18-year-olds, they're friends. They're my students. Both of them shared their P&L and how their trading's going. The NQ1 makes more than the MNQ1, but the NQ1 blows his account. The MNQ1 does very well. He doesn't make as much as the NQ1. He does well, considered 9 to 5 job salary and an 18-year-old well. One listens, one doesn't. What can I do? No matter what I do, I even said the other one, stop trading. And no, it's so good, professor. Then what more can I do? I can say, do this here, follow this. Nah, I'm going to do what I want. And then you wonder why. I comment as much as I can, Professor, but Professor's right. Hardly any comment. Yep, I know, Greg. You're always commenting. I appreciate you. Greg, let me guess. My videos and posts always show up on your feed? I wonder why. I got to comment more on your IG. I'm hardly on there. I know, but it's fine, Dave. David used to comment all the time when you were active. It's okay. I know you support me on the secret IG. I know, David. Life gets in the way. I get it. Someone can recite Ayatul Kursi, brother. Not right now, my brother. Appreciate it, but not right now. Facts. I hope I didn't miss a lot. I had to go pray. It's okay. All our action at journal. Do you still want me to DM you, Zanzibar? Yeah, Zanzibar. Message me, Francis. Message me. MNQ guy better. 100% right. Micro, the secret with trading, especially. Listen. I have looked at all the prop firm data. They released it. It's a public data. From every prop firm. I'm not going to say their names. Which ones do you think get... Again, before anyone says it, yes, I trade NQ. I get payouts on NQ. But we got to stop comparing yourself to me. We got to stop comparing yourself to me. Unless you're number 1 on leaderboards on a regular basis. Unless you get payouts, copy trading on a regular basis. You shouldn't try to get to where I am. I looked at all the data, and the people that get all the come on, brain. I'm just looking for that watermelon. I need that hydration. I need the electrolytes. Okay, relax. It's fasting season. We're almost done. We're almost done. People that trade MNQ have the most payouts, not the NQ people. So if the own data, the data from the prop firms are telling you, how would you not look at their data and execute on their data? Go watch my live. Go watch my live. What's this itch now? What am I got? What am I, like a crackhead? Well, watermelon. I'm looking at the tracking of the driver, and I'm like, okay. Like I need watermelon. Go look at my live leaderboard. That live I did months ago, I think is one of the top, not the best, but the top of the top, because I showed everything. Every trade, every execution, everything. And you know it was public because you saw that data on the leaderboards. Broker statements can all be faked. It's so easy. Trading platforms and software can all be faked. All of it could be faked. It's a fact. The leaderboard is the only thing. That's why I said, you know what? I'm gonna head to the. That was one of the main reasons for getting on prop firms, to prove I could do it. MNQ. Boom. Is there a way you can do a post on YouTube on when you could get? We see here. We can give you some. is there a way you can do a post on YouTube about what? Also, when we see you here, we can give you some about what? How do the tickers differ from? Yeah. Francis, I'm gonna do that. That live. Go to my YouTube. Click live. I'm doing a live on the best future tickers and why. I'm gonna do that live in I don't know, next week. Professor is the F1 driver and we're in a go-kart 100%. I always get notified on Insta because you're the only mentor. My man, Hassan. Can still make bank with micros. That's what I'm saying. Dave trades. We reserve second drivers. I have watched so many lives. Never have I seen or heard someone who trades and read the Quran. So glad I was able to come across. I appreciate you, Castile. You just missed someone that said that they have trauma from the Quran. So look how God works. I got rid of one weasel and I got one who loves what I do. Look how life works, ladies and gentlemen. Do you see why I block weasels? This is why I block weasels. Professor, could I ask a trader Q&A question on this live? No. If you allow, no. I just want to say that I love you. I don't even know who you are, A, B, C, D, E, R, G. I don't even know. I've never seen you a day in my life. Instead of posting it on IG, can you just post here on YouTube? No. No. The answers to those are all no. I love it. You see, they don't want to comment on my Instagram. I love it. I love it. That's why I posted it, because you people just don't want to support the Instagram at all. It's okay. I'm cool with it. I've accepted it already. For whatever reason, you'll never comment on my Instagram, but you'll comment on everybody else's Instagram. It's fascinating. Bro, you know I was more active before the baby. I know, Jose. I know, bro. All right, everyone. I'll see you on Friday. Tuesday. What's the live on Tuesday? I don't know. The live on next Tuesday is... It's on the YouTube, but I'll just say it here. It is... Are most prop firm traders gamblers? We're going to talk about gambling and prop firm trading. All right, Instagram has me banned. I would have followed you and commented. It's okay, make a fake account and come. All right, everyone, I'll see you on Tuesday, 8 p.m. Eastern. May peace be upon you all. I don't know if I'm still live on TikTok, but I'll check. And thank you all.